Good morning, students. Today's practical is about the detection of nitrate ion. Nitrate ion is included in concentrated group. So let us begin the activity. So first of all, let us take the salt in the test tube, and first of all we'll test it for the dilute group. We will add few drops of dilute H2SO4. Observe for any evolution of gas or any type of reaction taking place? No. That means anion from dilute group are absent, and now we will move to concentrated group detection. So now we will move to concentrated group. Again I have taken 1 spatula of salt, and I will add few drops of concentrated H2SO4 to it. Observe for any changes. Observe for any evolution of gas. Now since no gas is evolved here, so we can say in concentrated group ions like chloride, bromide or iodide is absent. But still we have to check for the presence of nitrate, and for checking the presence of nitrate in this, I will add copper turnings to it and I will heat. So I have taken copper turnings and that I am going to add in it now. Let us add copper turnings to it, and now we will heat it. Let us heat the test tube and observe for the evolution of gas, its color especially. You can see brown colored gas is getting evolved, indicating that nitrate ion may be present in the given salt. See the walls of the test tube carefully. You can see the brown color fumes. So this indicates that nitrate ion may be present. So let us move to confirmatory test. So the first confirmatory test is ring test. For that I need FeSO4 and concentrated H2SO4. I have to prepare a solution of FeSO4. This FeSO4 solution must be freshly prepared. If it is already prepared and kept it, don't use it. You have to make fresh FeSO4 solution. So how do we make fresh FeSO4 solution? Simply take ferrous sulfate and dissolve it in distilled water. So freshly prepared FeSO4 solution is ready, and that I am going to add to OS of the salt, that is original solution of the salt. And now comes the most important part of this test. Now to this mixture you have to add 1 drop of concentrated H2SO4 by tilting the acid by tilting the test tube at 60 degree. So the test tube is tilted at an angle of 60 degree, and I am going to add 1 drop of concentrated H2SO4 to it. Be very careful during this test. And then slowly you will make the test tube upside. As you can see, a ring is formed. A ring is formed at the junction, and that is what we call as ring test. Now this ring floats due to density difference, and this ring is due to formation of ferrous ammonium complex. So this is how you will get a ring, and this is the most famous ring test. Now we'll perform the second confirmatory test. Second confirmatory test is diphenylamine test, for which I have already prepared the OS, and I have taken diphenylamine in another test tube. In second confirmatory test, we simply add diphenylamine to OS and you will get the color change. So after adding diphenylamine to OS, the color of OS has changed to blue, indicating conformation of nitrate ion in the given salt. This color change is due to oxidation of diphenylamine. So today we have seen 3 tests. In the preliminary test we have seen copper test, copper tanning test, where we have got brown fumes of nitrate, NO2 gas. In ring test we have seen the formation of a ring, that was a confirmatory, and in second confirmatory, that is diphenylamine test, we have seen that there is a formation of blue color. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.